Some fun day little gummy treats. That's right, that's right. One of these is limited edition Barbie. And when I saw that at Woolies, I was like, I got to try this. Granted, it's sugar-free, so I may not like them. I don't like many things that are sugar-free because of the ingredients. I don't know what it uses, if it uses any. Yes, there is sweetener in it. Stevia gluteose, doesn't matter. Naturally sweet. So I guess it's the kind of sweetener that's naturally sweet kind of one. So let's open this bad boy up. There we go. Let me show you what they look like. They probably very look like that. Here they are. Oh, I guess I didn't need my lipstick. I could have just had this. It's a lip. So the Barbie ones are lipified to it all. And there's the pale pink at the back that it's chosen to be. These are Australian made. And this is all like, I just thought I'd show you that. So let's try this one first. The Barbie one. Naturally sweet. Berry kisses. Mwah, 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 mwah. So let's get that berry kiss in my mouth. Okay, really very interesting. Let's see if it has that weird taste that it gets when you use sweeteners, from my opinion. It tastes pretty normal like a gummy. Somehow it's saying the health is all the way up to 5. I've never had a snack that says all the way up to 5 means it's like that's how healthy it is. That is crazy. I think I'm tasting a little bit of that sweetener in a way that I don't like, but it's not terrible. I think it's a natural sweetener, which is a good thing. I think the reason why these are not all the way up is there's chocolate in this, cocoa. So these ones should look like this. So now let's try these. Gummy center. This has a gummy center. I probably can only eat one at a time of these because of the sweetener in them, but I'm very surprised. I like these. These don't seem to have the tab that I need to open these with. Oh, they open just as easily. Okay. That definitely smells like cocoa to high heavens of cocoa. Sweetener, of course. So let's see what these look like. They should look like this. These ones are not gummies. These are a different thing from Funday. So let me open the middle and see. Oh my goodness. That's what the inside looks like. Whoa. Cocoa to high heavens. If I ever tasted cocoa. It's like if I took just the powdered cocoa and ate it. Whoa. This one you gotta suck on more. It has like a gooey gummy consistency inside. I don't know about that chocolate. It's a little too cocoa forward, if that makes any sense. And I'm surprised. I like these with it having sweetener in them. It must be because of it being stevia. I think it's stevia. If you can see that right there in those parentheses, in the end right there, that's the sweetener that they're using. So it's not just some random number like I've seen on some things. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, I don't know. Should I go kissy kiss for the nails? I did bring some of my gems to get an idea of it. If I wanted to have slight 3Dness. But we might have to go into my stamps. Yes, that's right, my stamps. So here we go. This is what I found for Kissy Kiss. I thought that would be a nice one to use. It does say berry kisses. So I could go off of this, and then I could potentially use a berry fruit. I do have this whole bag of fruits, but I don't know if there's any berries in here. There is that. There's grapes, but I don't know if I have any berries in here. Blackberry. Oh, there's strawberries actually. Oh. I can do a slice of a strawberry. So maybe I'll do a little bit of strawberry, because that's actually the right color as well. And then just maybe do a couple with sparkle on top with the light color. So 2 designs here, maybe a sparkly pink and a sparkly pink. So there is that. But I do have these. These are lingering in my mouth. I'm not sure if I fully am a fan of this. The Cocoa's too cocoa forward. But with this one, I want to go off the chocolate and light pink. Very makes sense to me. So let's get into these nails. To that nice Barbie of a color on the first design. Oh yes, now a second coat of that Barbalicious, if I do say so. And I brought the magnet out, so yeah, that's right, magnet topper of it all. I'm doing it sideways. To really bring that to life, I gotta put a second coat of that sparkle. Now you can really see that as I put it on. See that shift of that awesomeness. Now to the groove of a stamper, trying to do the kissy kiss. Finally worked. Now I put it on the top with this stamping of a pink. And of course it's not long enough, so I got to stamp again with that kiss of it all and top it up to hold it all in, each kiss to the next. As I now put some glue so I could put on the strawberry slice. Oh yes, that's right, kissy kiss and strawberry slice of it all. Yep. Now to the second of a design. As you can probably tell, I'm doing a half and half, just like the packaging of the Funday treats. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Doing the half and half, and I'm doing the second coat of the darker pink on top, and the lighter one on the other one that's more opaque in its way. So there we go, holding it in with that thick glossy top coat. As I was looking at it though, as you can see, I'm putting a holographic topper that looks nice, all scattered. Now holding it in with a thick topper, looking good. Now let's do that thumb that brings in the other Funday treat with chocolate. And this is that sparkly polish as the base. And now we got to bring the chocolate. I have this perfect polish to be the chocolate. It makes me just want to take a spoon of chocolate and eat it. And of course I have to make it drip just like chocolate drips of it all. Oh my gosh, do I want a spoon of Nutella right now? But nope, this is polish. Don't eat the polish, even if it's tempting. With all that, let's hold all that sparkle and chocolate feeling with the top coat. Looking so delicious. Oh yes, all those nails to the next. Delicious also. To all the girly vibes in these overalls, to these tights, and this jumper. It might not be tons and tons of pink, but the pink is in the accents of the makeup, to the hat, and all. So why not? Just because you have over-the-top pink nails doesn't mean it has to be the main event. But I did bring in some of that chocolate of it all. That's why I'm wearing these animal print tights, because it got the chocolate feel of it all. So there's a little bit of everything in this outfit. I even was able to bring the kissy kiss, even if it's red kissy kiss. So with all that and this girly vibes, yes, I'm girly today, and don't forget it. Girly color, pink. That's why I have a pink little boo-boo. That's right. It's going to go with me into the town. This jumper might be a little bit big to be underneath this overalls, but I think it looks fabulosa. To the fabulosa? That's right.